So it is about 8:13 in the morning. Just got my DoorDash groceries from Walmart and just want to do like a quick grocery haul. It's not much, but I am going to try to buy more healthy items because I need to lose some weight. But some of this stuff is not going to be all healthy or anything, but my plan is to drink smoothie and eat salads for a whole week just to see if it makes a difference. No coffee for a whole week, so yeah. But anyway, so I have this Simply Lemonade, raspberry lemonade. I just love it. So this is a snack that I got just to, like, if I want to snack on anything, you know, this would be it. And this too, like if I want a sweet something, like if I have a sweet tooth or something, this is my snack as well. I originally had bought it for Kenya a while back and she didn't like it at that time. So I tasted it and I was like, oh, this is pretty good. So it has like yogurt, like, you know, fruit and yogurt. So I think these are pretty good to snack on as well. And these are her snacks. She loved this with the cheese and the crackers and the apples, shaped like Minnie. And she loved croissant bread, so got this for her. I got 2 plantains, bananas, got this snack for her, and Teddy Graham, because she loved fruit snacks, and I'm trying to get her away from that because I do not want her to have cavities. So that's why I went ahead and got these 2 as snacks for her. And I got grapefruit juice and cranberry juice. Then I got this chicken salad, some ginger root, cheese, can't go without cheese. And I got these tortillas for, so let's go over here, for this spinach and artichoke. And plus I have like salsa and sour cream. That's probably not good either. I'm trying to eat healthier, but I feel like I'm naming unhealthy items. But yeah, I mainly got it for this though. And some sweet potato fries. I originally got or ordered the plain sweet potato fries, but they didn't have it, so these are my substitution. So hopefully they're good. And then I have salad. Like I said, I'm going to be eating on that every day for the next week or so. And also my smoothies. So I got this one that has mandarin, spinach, apples, grapes, banana. And this one here that has the spinach, mangoes, apples, and pineapples. And that was it. So like I said, this was like a pretty quick haul. Let's say hi. Hi. A pretty quick haul. So go ahead and put these up. So today I'm eating this Southwest style salad that has green cabbage, green leaf lettuce, kale, red cabbage, carrots, green onions, tortilla strips, cheddar cheese, and chipotle ranch dressing. Here's the dressing. So I already mixed the cheese and the tortillas and the actual salad, so now I'm just going to put the dressing on. So here's my salad. Oh, thank you. Here's the other salad. I'm not sure if I showed the salad up close in the grocery haul, so that's why I'm doing it now. But this is the other salad kit, the Caesar salad, and this is what it has in it. Romaine lettuce, garlic, crouton shredded, Parmesan cheese, and Caesar salad. So it has all that. So I wanted to try these out. I'm always trying, hold on a second. I'm always trying this kind out that's like in a bowl. And it has all the toppings on top. This one is really good, the Southwest style. The only thing, they just don't give you a lot of dressing for this big thing. And the other one is the Caesar salad. So it's kind of like that one in the bag, but it's in a bowl. And I got the smaller one too. So those two are the same. So my dresser finally came, and it is very, very heavy. So I'm just gonna take pieces out of it and put it in my room and put it together in there. Okay, don't judge me. But this is my room right now. Yeah. All these clothes are clean. I just been living out of the box and the suitcase. And I need to make up my bed. And I'm going to put the dresser over here. So I need to clean this area off as well. So, yeah, don't judge me. Let's get to cleaning.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad.
Just took it out of the box and see a few chips already.
So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it, oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind.
What I have so far. Whew. So I just have this so far. Let me keep going. I got a lot more to do. Okay, I put the top on now. Whew, that was a struggle. I need another person to do that, but I did it. So let me continue.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind, rewind, rewind. Hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it.
Almost done. Now I am just putting the knobs on, but that will be it and I'll be finished.
Somewhere else to go. Maybe I need some space. Read it and delete it. Maybe I need some space.
Okay, now to tackle this living room. It is a hot mess. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is a mess. So let me get started. Pretty much done in here. Much better. Now I need to tackle this kitchen. A hot mess once again.